What's up everyone, Half Chrome. Today I've got a fun little brushless whoop. This thing is fun. It's 65 millimeters. You can fly at angle, you can fly at acro, you can customize it in beta flight. It is super light, under 30 grams with the battery. How does that compare to a brush motor drone? Let's talk about it. The URUAV U65. This thing, love it. Lots of fun. Super fast, super fun to fly, pretty durable. Has an adjustable angle camera so I can kind of tilt it for the angle that I fly or how fast I fly, really. It's an F3 flight controller. It's a Flyby. That just means it's basically the upgraded Inductrix. It does have a port on the back so you can plug it into your computer and customize angles and PIDs and things like that if you want. This thing is super durable. Love flying it. Absolute blast. Good little trainer. You can fly this thing inside, which is nice and not really worried about breaking too much. You can get either a Fly Sky or a Frisky version. I'm flying on my jumper, so it didn't really matter. I can fly both of that. Now, I did have some issues setting up as a D16, so I went D8. No problems after I did that. Some little nuances on the frame that I like. We have some supports here to kind of add some rigidity and strength so when you do crash, it's not breaking. You don't have to constantly add welder glue to this frame. It does a nice job of holding up. Now, how does it stack up to, say, a brush motor drone like this? This is my B-Whoop, kind of a custom deal with the camera. This is a lot of fun to fly, but I prefer flying this. It is faster, it is more customizable. I can fly at horizon, I can fly at acro, I can fly at angle. Change the angle adjustments. I get some OSD on this. This is just pretty basic, right? I get the camera feed. Now there are some adjustable brush motor drones, but really the difference is in the ability to fly these things. This is just a lot more precise with this 0603 1700 kV motors, right? These motors are just better, faster, quicker, better response. Okay? The advantage of a brush motor drone, in a lot of cases, you're going to get a little bit more flight time. These motors are going to chew through batteries pretty quick. You're definitely going to want to buy, highly recommend, they come in packs of 3. Get as many as you can. If you want to fly for a while, flight time on this is less than 5 minutes, less than 4 minutes, sometimes 3 minutes. Sometimes I can get almost up to 6 minutes on my brush motor drones. But again, that depends on how you fly and what you're doing. This thing is an absolute blast. Pick one up. I don't say that a whole lot, but pick one up. Under $100. I like flying it with the jumper, my Fat Sharks. It's a winning combo.